Let's see now how to include a green manure in our rotation. We will start by adding a vetch crop that will be harvested or will be incorporated at flowering. We choose flowering hay, click on plus, then we put here an arbitrary yield of 1, and now we have to correct the harvest index. This is a trick that we use as we are incorporating basically all the biomass into the soil. To do that, we calculate the harvest index as 100 divided by the potential production of that crop. Let's assume that in this case we have a potential production of 6,000 kilograms per hectare of vetch hay. That's what we are going to incorporate. So we divide 100 by 6,000 and come up with 0.0167 as harvest index. So we put here 0.0167. We make sure that the percent of residues left in the field is 100. We are not burning, of course, and we are still in Córdoba, the rain-fed conditions, with a clay soil. Then we don't have soil data, so we select maintenance. We are going to be rotating this green manure with a tomato crop. Click on tomato plus to add it, and here we'll be assuming an organic tomato with 60 tons per hectare expected yield. Click on proceed, and now we see that the vetch does not require any fertilizer, basically because we are incorporating, so the nutrients are left in the soil for the next crop of tomato. In this case, the nitrogen requirements is very much reduced because the effect of the previous buried crop of vetch. So for vetch we don't apply any fertilizer, and now for tomato we could use an NPK. We don't have any suggested value, so we can go and apply ammonium sulfate plus incorporated before planting, and then we will need triple superphosphate incorporated before planting, and potassium chloride incorporated before planting, and in case needed we would complement with some nitrogen like this one. Click on proceed, and the values to be applied to tomato would be ammonium sulfate and calcium nitrate plus triple superphosphate and potassium chloride before planting. This would be the corresponding cost. So we see that's the way of incorporating green manure into our rotation.